So we started this competition process about quite a few months ago now. These guys have been through many, many rounds of competition. I've seen them perform pretty much together in the last 3 rounds. I think yesterday they did an incredible job, realistically, like Mike said. They want to be chefs. I wish them all the very best. I think they did an incredible job yesterday. We had 3 brilliant plates of food.
I'd just like to thank Go for all our hard work. We've been running this competition for 3 years now for Go, and it's been hard work in the background, as you all know, all the work goes on in the background. But all the credit should go to the 3 students, also to IIHM, that's the Institution of Management Students in Ireland here. But again, all the work went into it for these 3 competitors, and they gave a tremendous job. And WACS is a World Association of Chefs, and we travel all over the world. And the standard they done yesterday was not near it, it was there. It was the highest I've seen in this competition in the last 3 years.